Hey everyone, this is Trainboy70. Today I'm gonna unbox 2025 Push-A-One Thomas trains. They are Thomas, Percy, James, and Henry. Let's start on number one tank engine, Thomas. Here's Thomas, so here's the front, the top, the bottom, it says Thomas on it, and the back. And now let's unbox Thomas. Here's Thomas. So here's the front, the top, side, the other side, the bottom, it says Thomas on it, and the back. So if you like this 2025 Push-A-One Thomas, please give a thumbs up. Next is Thomas's best friend, Percy. I'm just going to set Thomas here. Here's Percy, so here's the front, the top, the bottom. It says Percy, and the back. Let's unbox Percy. Here's Percy. There's Percy. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the back, and the bottom. It says Percy on it. I'm just going to put Percy here next to Thomas. Next up is James. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, it says James on it, and the back. Let's unbox James. Here's James. So here's the front, side, the top, the other side, the bottom, it says James on it. He came his own tender. It has number 5 on it. I'm just going to set James here. Last up is Henry. So here's Henry. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, it says Henry on it, and the back. Let's unbox Henry. Here's Henry. So here's the front, the top, side, the other side, the bottom says Henry on it. He came with his own tender. It has a number 3 on it. I'm just going to put Henry next to James. Well guys, here they are. 4 Push-A-One 2025 Thomas trains. They are Thomas, Percy, James, and Henry. They are both released in 2025 to celebrate the 80th anniversary of Thomas and Friends. So what do you think of them? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Send a comment, press a like, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next video.